Next up, turn the tide for Phalanx. In this we need to complete 2 secure intel contracts, complete a destroy suppliers contract in the same deployment, and finally drill 3 safes. Now we've obviously done this many times while we tried to get up to this point in the Phalanx questline, but anyways, here we are doing it again. Okay, so I'll do a destroy suppliers contract, just as that's nice and easy, and it'll show us some safes that we can open. So with it marked, we'll need to travel halfway across the planet and quickly get these planted. So here's number 1, and we'll go for number 2, and here's a safe right here, so we'll start the drill, and that's at least one of the 3 safes opened. And now that the destroy supplies mission is done, it'll mark some supplies for us. Sweet, so we've got some more safes marked nearby, and they're all super close together, which is great. We'll see if we can get our teammate to open the other one, and there are 2 secure intel missions here, but of course, they could be a little bit difficult if we're spotted as we're climbing up the towers. Anyways, here we go, here is number 1. Sweet, let's move over to the next safe, and we'll start this one as well. And there we go, safe number 2 is opened by our teammate. Now to just wait for safe number 3, and we're done. Sweet, safe number 3. So that's the last part of this mission done. Now all that's left to do is to finish off by completing 2 secure intel missions. These are the ones with a little folder and a question mark on the map. Well, anyways, we'll go ahead and grab the mission here, and the computer we need to grab the hard drive from is right next door. There we go. Sweet. Now we'll head to the radio tower and upload our data. Now, of course, as there aren't tall towers on the Vondel map, at least when we come to the one here, for example, it's simply on the roof, and it should be a lot safer to be at, as long as the attack helicopter doesn't come for us. It's much safer than climbing up a huge tower, being open to everyone. Bibbidi boop. There we go. Simply need to wait for this, and then we'll go for the next one. Okay, now we'll go for another one, and that should at least complete everything for us. So we'll mark the next one and go straight for it. Then, at least when we're done with this, we'll be done with Turn the Tide. This is super easy, especially if you're one who does these missions quite often anyways. They're not that difficult at all. Cool, so grabbing the computer somewhere in here. There we go. Now we just need to upload this and we're done. And of course it would be lovely if this helicopter could just leave us alone. Cool, so uploading everything here. And there we go, Turn the Tide is now complete. So thank you all for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.